million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me feel.
Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some human hair drip from my good friends over there at Binf Hair. We have worked with them in the past when we really liked them. And y'all notice how we do human hair on this channel. We try it. If it's trash, I'm gonna tell you it's trash. If we like them, we'll continue to work with them. And we have been rocking with them from the very beginning. I wanna say that this is the company that is on Amazon. I might be wrong. Look at that description box and you'll see. I have no idea what's in here because all I did was take it out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I like to do this stuff with y'all. All right, so let's jump to it. Okay, so of course the wig is in there. The other things that they included are some wig caps and some hair extensions. Okay, you wanna party like a rock star, okay? And a little elastic band. All right, but y'all don't care about that. Y'all wanna see this wig. I'm reading directly off of this, but like I said, look at that description box. This wig is 14 inches long, and that's all they tell me. It's 14 inches long. I'm on one today, y'all. I'm pretty amped. I've had a good day. I worked out. I feel good. I feel good. Hey, 14 inches long. Looks like this is gonna be pretty straightforward. You get a comb in the back and adjustable straps. Oh, this is this is a T part, y'all. And then you get a comb over here to the right, a comb to the left, that lace in the front, and then a lace part. I love a good T part because they really are the throw and go of human hair wigs. Before I cut off this lace and play around with it, let me just plop it on my head. The only thing is you can't manipulate the parting space too much. I look like Ludwig Beethoven, don't I? Okay, the only thing is you can't like, see? So you gotta keep it in the middle, but I think that because of this length and it's a T part, it should be pretty affordable. Let me cut off this lace, play around with it, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. All right, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig. This wig is absolute perfection. I know we tend to overuse the words everyday wig, every occasion wig, but y'all, this one really is. This wig will take you from work to your place of worship, to stealing out of Walmart, to the parent-teacher conference, to the soccer game, to the trap. Like, this wig will take you wherever you need to go. This is literally a perfect everyday wig. I think at this 14 inches that it is beautiful at this curl pattern. I threw a few curls in the front because they were stringy, but I didn't touch the back. The only thing that I don't really like about this wig is but that's what you get with a T-part. You can't switch up that part, and so what you get is what you get. You're gonna have to wear it down the middle, but that equals very affordable. If you look in that description box, I put a direct link to this wig, the details, so you can go check it out. Do I think you need this one? Yeah, especially for the summer, because it's so doggone hot, okay? They normally send me a coupon code. You should see that in that box too. Don't forget to subscribe. Like I always say, you might not be into wigs. Maybe it's your auntie Claudine. Maybe it's your Uncle Claude. Whichever one, send them my way, and me and Binf Hair will get them right, y'all. Until next time, which will be very soon.